Gotta check out my new FPS camera setup. What the fuck? Got a fucking satellite on my fucking head. Well, if I can't hit the fucking targets, I'll call an airstrike. I'm gonna test the shit out of this headband phone holder. Well, hello there. Goddamn data collection center on my forehead. People be like, what the fuck is that? Oh, that's my solar panel hat. Well, at least it feels secure enough to be doing first person shit. Watch this guy drive by. What the hell are you doing? I'm projecting my thoughts into the future. So as long as this thing stays mounted and stays positioned in the right angle, you see what I see. So let's see how it works. Do some first-person hardcore Henry shit. Now I promise you, if you stick around until the end of the video, you are in for a treat. Just so you know. A little shooting, a little clowning around, you know how it is. In case you were wondering, I am driving a 2019 Polaris Sportsman 850 SP. The tires are 29-inch Pro Armor Daggers, and we have a light bar kit on it and a 3-inch lift kit. Talk a lot of shit about this the way it looks, but I mean it works pretty good, almost as good as a GoPro, I'd say. Haven't been through here in a while. I've owned this Polaris for about 6 years, since 2019, and it has never given me any problems. It always starts up, it always runs, and always goes through the woods faster than any other machine I have. Oh shit, we got a fucking tree down. I'm not getting through there. It definitely needs a bath. I know I haven't washed it in probably 2 years. Gonna have to turn around here. So most of the woods is hard to get to because the trees are down. And I didn't come prepared today to really do anything, so. Alright guys, ready to go to the creek? Let's go get some water. Okay, kids, after you. Whoa, hey! Got any four-wheel drive here? What we got going on here? They made that fucking steep. I don't think I can go. Okay. Don't like 'em. Yeah. Oh yeah, they did the damn thing here. Cleared that shit right out. Alright, well, looks like we got fucking passage now. This is where the trees were down. So he made a nice little path down right on through. Good shit. Fuck yeah. That's awesome. Wow. He roaded this hill out pretty good. This used to be a trail right here. Good shape. So I guess it's safe to say the camera holding headband thing, even though it's kind of bulky, works great for four-wheeling and going through the woods. Now we're about to find out how it works at the shooting range. Now let's take a brief minute to laugh at somebody who commented on one of my short videos. Pretty sure it's in German. Fast die Pistol Schlitt Irgendwagen hat der Schlitten im die Hand Reinhardt. At first I was like, oh, this guy's probably calling me something cool. Alright, cool. Like and love. Well, then I decided to hit translate to English. And it wasn't exactly what I thought it was. He actually wrote, he has a bad grip on the gun and some point the slide ruined his hand. What the fuck does that mean? And those of you who watch my videos know I can be the world's largest asshole, so this is my response. My grip on the pistol is correct. I'm not sure how they do it over there in Schnitzel land, but in America this is how it's done. Why Nazis when you can Jewsies? How much does a Holocausties? No sprickin' douchebag, my friend. Play fuck games, win fuck prizes. And he was actually talking about the footage from this video that you're about to see, me shooting the custom Glock. So you let me know if my grip is wrong. And the part about ruining my hand, no idea what that was all about. My hands feel good. For those of you who don't know, which is everybody, I decided to put a TLR7 HLX Streamlight on here on my XP Pro. Looks pretty damn good. So, yep, XP Pro, Streamlight, TLR7 HLX, the burnt bronze. I thought that it was a cool color, so I figured I went with that instead. But for the German brand, I brought out the Walther for our German buddy in the comments section. PPS M2, Burnt Bronze Hollow Sun 507K. PPS stands for Police Pistol Small, or Police Pistol Slim, whatever they call it over there in Frankfurterville. Ready? No aiming. There you go, Heinrich the Hoffman. You can go back to sitting on your futon fucking your face with Frankfurters, food bar farfanugans. Have a good day. Just kidding, you know it's all for just schlitz and schnitzels. I mean, shits and giggles. I'm definitely a fan. It's a nice looking light. It really does look nicer than the Olight hand grenade I had on here. The thing is just so nice. That's a nice gun. That just is super sweet. Love it. How's my grip on that? I had to bring out my favorite pistol. The Fusion XP Pro. So smooth. So nice. Ooh, so fine. Let's see. Am I not hitting my target? There it is, 100 yards. You guys want to see a New York reload? This is a New York reload. Oh geez, I'm out of bullets. Psh, here, another gun. How's my grip on that? Fuck yeah, this gun is crazy. Okay. Okay. Shit. Fucking missing that target. $100 yards. Okay. There it is. That's 50 yards. 100. Phone holding headband thing, 9 out of 10. Footage is great. Hostage.